Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you that I have completed all the syllabus of JAM Group Theory and also TIFO, that is Tata Institute of Fundamental Research, and for JAM it is Joint Admission Test for MSc in IIT. And the syllabus includes groups, subgroups, abelian groups, non-abelian groups, cyclic groups, normal subgroups, permutations group, quotient group, Lagrange theorem for finite groups, group homomorphisms, isomorphisms, automorphisms. I have also discussed a further topic which is in TIFO, that is Sylow theory, the three theorems on Sylow, and also external direct product, internal direct products in detail with proper explanation, with questions and examples, so that you can have a better understanding. You can have a look on all these 30 lectures. That's all. Thank you.